Yes, good evening all. Yes, good evening all. Good evening everyone.
Evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Yes. Uh, Tell me today which chapter you want me to discuss? Revision or like shall we go for the new chapter, term 2?
Sir, can we do revision?
What topic? Which topic?
Sir, didn't we already revise most of the chapters for term 1? I think we should start term 2 chapters.
Just a minute, just a minute. Yes, tell me. Hello.
Yes, sir. I was saying that we revised a lot of chapters already. I think we should go ahead with the term 2 chapters.
Okay. Yes, that is what I was telling you as well. What about others? I don't know.
Hello, sir. I think we should do term 2 because term 2 is going to come soon.
Term 2 is going to be yes, but because we have to finish the syllabus as soon as possible. That's why I was trying to say.
Yes, sir.
Let us have a look at the syllabus once.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, in sample question paper, I have one doubt, sir.
Yes. No, no problem. Sira will have a separate doubt session. Whenever we have doubt session, we'll definitely conduct that. And may I know what doubt is that?
Sir, it's belongs to areas related to circle, sir.
Okay. One second. First, let us have a look at the syllabus. I'll clear your doubt. I think so. Like I'll collect your doubts. So what I thought was I'll collect your doubts at a time. Then we can have that. That's what I thought, but not an issue. So look at it. Can you see the book? Can you see the screen? The first term syllabus was what was the first
Yes.
term syllabus? So these were the first term syllabus. Look at this. Real number, polynomial, pair of linear equation, two variables, coordinate geometry, triangles, introduction to trigonometry, areas related to circles, probability. And coming to the second term, we have quadratic equations. I think we have done with this class, this lesson, quadratic equation, arithmetic progressions. I think arithmetic progression also we have done, isn't it? Hello?
Yes, sir. We're done with AP.
We done with this. Quadratic equations, we done with the starting itself. Circles we have. Constructions we have. Some applications of trigonometry we have. Surface area and volumes we
So
have.
we already did applications of trigonometry.
Application of trigonometry also we done. Very good, yes. And surface areas and volumes we have. Statistics we have to be discussed. Statistics,
Yes, sir.
surface areas and volumes, constructions, circles. Yes, these are the topics we have to discuss. Wherever you don't have tick mark, we have already done all this. Yes or no?
Arithmetic progression we did, right?
Sorry,
We did arithmetic progression.
we done. We have
Yeah.
done that.
Yes, sir. We did it.
We did it. So in circles, and then we'll start with the circles geometry part. So circles tangent to circle at point of contact. Prove that the tangent at any point of a circle is perpendicular to radius through the point of contact. The length of tangents drawn, the lengths of tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. So these are the topics we have to learn from the circles. Yes. Okay. Sira, tell me what is your doubt? After
Sir,
clearing.
I have sent you a link in chat box, sir. In that 36th question, sir.
Oh, chart you have sent. Please, you send me the question. This is not like secure website. You please send me the question in WhatsApp.
Okay, sir.
Make it fast. Send. Make it fast. Hello.
Sir, I think Sri.
Sir, I have sent you a pic.
In WhatsApp. WhatsApp. How can I just WhatsApp? You send me WhatsApp, man. Please.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Make it fast. Make it fast. Guys, term 2 हम लोग term 2 start करेंगे तो term 2 में circles. We'll go for the circles straight away. Geometry part.
Sorry, sir. I'm late, sir. I had some issues.
Okay. Okay. No problem.
Sir, sorry, your voice is breaking.
No problem. No problem. Please be on time.
Sir, your voice is still breaking.
I'm saying
It's
that
fine,
please
sir.
be on time.
Okay, okay, sir.
Sir, I have sent you in WhatsApp.
What is the question?
Sir, 36th.
Look at this. You're given the ABCD is a square. Guys, he has sent a picture in chat box. If you want, you can open that.
Sir, I think he only sent to you in private because it's not there in the
You can send to
everybody.
everyone. Is the picture given? E H
Sir, I have sent.
F and G. So this is A, B, B. Square of 4 centimeter, 14 centimeter. What is this? So 14 centimeters. ABCD is a square of 14 centimeter with EF, GH as the midpoints of AB, BC, CD, and A respectively.
Sir, are you writing something on the screen?
Yes, I'm writing on this one. I'm writing something.
No, sir. We can't see anything.
So I can see.
Okay, okay.
What's happening?
Nothing, sir. Continue, sir.
Just a minute.
Sir, isn't it quite simple? We just have to take HEF as a semicircle, find that, take the area of the rectangle CHFD, remove the area of the two quadrants, and then we get the rest of it and add it with the semicircle.
Yeah, we'll find the shader region.
Yes, Anadip, what's happening with you? Can you hear my voice? Yes, someone was talking. Who was that?
Sir, I was talking, I was just saying how we could.
What is the question actually? Look at this. Everyone, ABCD is a square given with a 14 centimeter. 14 centimeter is nothing but look at this here. So this is a midpoint. He has given these are the midpoints. These are the midpoints. Don't don't get scared. Don't be scared by looking at this picture. By looking at this picture, very simple actually. This is the shaded part. We have to find the area of the shaded part. Okay. So this is a midpoint. This is a 14 is nothing but A7 होगा, AB7 होगा, AB7 होगा, AB7 7 7 7 7. ठीक है? Yes or no?
Sir,
हाँ.
sir, we know that angle C, angle D are 90 degree. So
Look at this here. Yes, yes. This is a semicircle.
CAG they form a sector like thing.
Yes, can you see this is a semicircle here? Yes or no?
Yes, sir,
Yes
we
or
can
no?
find that.
We can find out what is the area of semicircle.
1/2 into pi r square.
Yes, sir. Half
And
of
r here is 7.
So what is the radius then? What is the radius? This part
7
radius is 7.
centimeters, sir.
7 centimeters.
So half into 22/7 into 7 into 7. So 7 will be getting cancelled. So
Sir, 77 centimeters
77
square.
centimeters. So this is the question. A, B, C, D are the midpoints. A, B, E is the midpoint of AB, F is the midpoint of BD, as given. The area of the shaded portion. Basically, what you have to do now, area of the shaded portion. How can I just find out? From first, I need to find out area of the square. From the area of the square, first to find out area of the square, or else so basically, right? Look at this. If common sense, देखो हमारे को find out करना है क्या? Area of the shaded region. देखो क्या करेंगे इधर? एरिया फर्स्ट हम लोग क्या करेंगे? एरिया ऑफ सेमी सर्किल.
Sir, I got the answer.
Area of semicircle, just a minute. Plus plus what?
Sir, I didn't understand one point. That sir, sir, can you remove that blue line once?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Sir, it doesn't look like a semicircle, right? When we join those 2 points, some part of the curve is still left.
No. You just observe the graph. Look at the question, man. Look at the question. This is a shaded area. Why it is not? I just drawn like that. My diagram is not perfect. Rough diagram. But look at the question
It's
here.
a straight line.
Yes, you look at the. Yes, of course it will be there, man. Shaded region, it will be shaded like this, right? Then you find a straight line, right? Then it becomes semicircle. Is half of the circle.
Yes.
देखो ये
and what is that part? How do we? What type of figure is that?
Ah,
The down tail like structure.
yeah,
Yes.
yeah. Ah,
Sir,
that
for
is
that, we can take the area of the rectangle and then minus the 2 quadrants on each side. We get the area in the middle.
rectangle.
Rectangle minus
We
those.
minus the 2 quadrants.
Yes, sir.
Ah, that is also correct. Rectangle minus the 2 quadrants. Now, can I say now here area of the semicircle plus area of the semicircle plus or area of square, isn't it? Area of the square minus area of the semicircle.
Area of square. Yes. That will also give. Oh yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's also true. Yes.
Now look at it here. Basically, this is the rectangle here. Okay, the down part is rectangle. Square में से आधो, if you just remove half side is semicircle, man. The rest of the part is rectangle here. In rectangle, I have what I have. This is the area. This is what I have. How can I find out that?
So
Quadrant.
remove the 2 quadrants.
Yes, sir.
So we can take them directly as a semicircle and find the area as the 2 quadrant.
Acha, you are saying this, remove this part.
Yes, sir. Then we're only left with the middle part. And then add that with the area of the
How,
semicircle we got.
for remove, yes, you can remove that. That is absolutely right. But removing for that, how do you decide? How do you decide? See here,
Said
that is,
2 into 1 by 4 into pi r square.
2 times.
2 times 1 by 4 pi r square.
It is a
Directly semicircle formula, sir. Half pi r square.
देखो, instead of doing that, can I do this? Half of area of square. Half of area of square, you know. Area of square में half.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, उसमें से क्या करेंगे?
Minus 1 by 2.
Minus
2 into 1 by 4.
pi r square.
Same thing as 1 by 2.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
You understand here? Area of the semicircle plus half into area of the square minus half semicircle. Yes or no?
Sir, I got it as 98 centimeters
Yes,
square.
right answer. So बराबर है देखो 90 mind calculation. Area of the semicircle is what here? 70,
Half pi r square.
77 we got right here.
77.
Plus half into area of square is what? What is area of square here?
Side into side, which is 196.
So 14 into 14. Let us
Yes,
try.
sir. 14 square.
Don't multiply 196 and all Steve. Let it be 14 into 14. It makes
Okay.
calculation easy. So ये गया. So you remember. So 14 7 how much? 98. This is what your answer. You understand here?
Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
Tira, you understood?
Yes, sir, I understood.
And any more doubts here? How we wrote here? Can anyone of you please explain how we wrote area of a semicircle plus this part minus this part? Anyone of you please?
So can you repeat it?
What I'm trying to say here is how we wrote this. Can anyone of you please explain?
Sir, can I do it?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Since it's given that ABCD is a square, we know that each side is 14 centimeters square. We want to know the area of the shaded region here, which is nothing but a semicircle. Plus, if you take the quadrants out on both sides of the bottom, you're left with nothing but that middle part. Then you have to add the semicircle and then the part that's left out in order to get that.
So your voice
So-
was bit fast. Your voice was bit low sometimes and suddenly it got raised. Yes, can you please come back again?
Yes, sir. We know that ABCD is a square. Each side is 14 centimeters. So first we need to find the semicircle on top. So to find that, we use the formula 1 by 2 into pi r square. And after we simplify it, we get 77 centimeters square. Now, as for the bottom part, we can take this whole thing as a rectangle, and we can remove these quadrants on each side to know what's the area of the middle part. So we can take the area of the rectangle as 14 into 7 minus 1 by 2 into pi r square. And when we simplify that, again, we get uh, 1 second. Yes, so we get 21 centimeters square. After adding both the top and the bottom, we get 98 centimeters.
First
Yeah.
half, in the first half part of the square is filled with a semicircle. So first what we do here is area of the semicircle. In downside, what we do here is from the half, you just need to remove the two empty spaces. So half of the area of the square minus semicircle. So how do you decide that? How do you decide this is a semicircle here? Can any one of you?
Sir, can I?
Please.
Sir, because here CG, HC all are 7 centimeters. So the
Sorry.
sir, sorry. So CG, HC, all of them are 7 centimeter. So the radius GD, even that 7 centimeter. So the radius is same. That means they belong to the same circle.
Hmm.
So we can
Exactly.
make them
Look at it
together
here.
to
Yes.
become one semicircle.
Radius is same, so circle may form like this.
Yes, sir.
Huh.
They belong to the same circle.
Belong to the same circle, which is nothing but from that, if I remove from half circle, if I remove that particular part, that will be my required area, shaded region. Very simple. Understood, beta, everyone? Shall we go for the circles?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Like, what do you mean by circle? First tell me, what do you mean by circle? Girls, anyone of you, please? Anyone of you, girls?
Sir,
Yes.
circle is a figure which has infinite number of points. It has different parts such as radius, diameter, chord, sector, segment.
Hmm. Yes. Look at this here. What do you mean by circle? Basically, circle is a collection of all points. Look at this here. First of all, this is my point here. If I just collect all these points, it forms my circle, isn't it? Yes or no? It forms my circle. So if I just collect, if I collect all these points, it's forming a circle. ठीक है? इसको बोलते हैं circle. आया समझ? Basically, circle is what? Collection of all points. You write a basic definition. A circle is collection of all points in a plane which are at a constant distance from a fixed point. What is that? Circle is a collection of all points in a plane which are at a constant distance from the fixed point. Clear? From a fixed point, look at, let us say this is a fixed point, there is a center. So it's a constant distance. उसी को बोलते हैं radius ना? The constant distance here. देखो next, understood? Next we'll talk about center. These all are terminologies of circle. Center, what do you mean by center? The fixed point.
The center is the middle point
Fixed point.
of a circle.
Fixed
from
point
which
is called the center. Simply. From which, so the fixed point is called like the center will be in the center, middle. Center means middle ना. तो वो center से boundary of the boundary of a circle से लेकर वो center को fixed distance होगा. There will be a fixed distance between the boundary of a circle and the particular center. There will be a fixed distance. ठीक है? Yes. Next, radius. What do you mean by radius? The constant, same is similar. Look at the constant or fixed distance.
line segment.
The constant distance from a center is called the radius. The constant distance from the center is called a radius. Next, chord. What do you mean by chord? Simple line segment. Joining any 2 points. A line segment joining any 2 points on a circle.
So the diameter is the largest chord on the circle.
Yes, largest chord. देखो, joining any 2 points. If I join this, join. These are all chords only. This is a chord, this is a chord, this is a chord, this is a chord, this is a chord. ठीक है? Joining 2 points on a circle basically is what called as chord. ठीक है? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
This is a chord. A, B chord. Very simple. Next, we'll talk about diameter. Diameter. तो diameter का मतलब क्या होता है? देखो एक कार्ड, card passing through. Girls, are you able to understand? Akil, Amrita, Deeksha, Shadab, Pratibha, Pratyusha, Tanvi.
Yes, sir.
Are you
Yes,
people
sir.
able to follow the class? Girls,
Yes, sir.
very good. A curd passing through the center of a circle. A curd passing through the center. Look at this. देखो, curd मतलब boys, chord passing through the circle of a circle. Center of a circle is called diameter. What is it? It's called diameter. And basically it is the longest part. Longest. ठीक है? Next, we'll talk about tangent. Have you heard about tangent? Very important concept.
Yes, sir. Isn't
Tangent is
it a
nothing but-
line touching a point on
Exactly,
the
exactly.
One point of a circle.
circle?
So when a line, like this, when a line meets a circle at one point or two coincidings. The line is known as tangent. Next, look at it. So basically, if I just this is a circle here, this is my circle. If I just draw, if I just choose a point here, if I just draw a straight line to this, there is a tangent. Okay, tangent AB at particular point P. Okay, from the center, what is the P here? P is perpendicular. Yes or no? From the center of a circle to P is a perpendicular. Okay. Okay. The tangent to a circle is perpendicular to the radius to the point of contact. Here from the diagram OP is perpendicular to what? AB. Okay. Yes or no? Very simple here, guys. If I draw tangent is nothing but if I choose any point, need not to be here only. ऐसा भी हो सकता है tangent. एक tangent हो गया. एक tangent हो गया. एक infinite number of tangents you can draw at circle. आया समझ? So there will be infinite. Circle is nothing but collection of infinite number of points. Collection of all points together is called as circle. So if you have a point, you will be having a tangent. Every point will be having a tangent. आया समझ? So there will be an infinite number of tangent we can draw to a circle. Clear? Clear, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
देखो next we'll talk about one more point. The lengths of the two tangents from an external point to a circle are equal. So here AP is देखो मैंने इधर एक देखो कोई भी एक सर्किल ले लो. This is a circle. This is a center. Now if I just draw two tangents, I'm talking about two tangents here. Two tangent का मतलब देखो एक tangent हो गया. This is one more tangent. Here point called P. Point P. This is a O. This is a radius. This is a point A. This is a point B. ठीक है? Point A and point B.
Sir,
Yes. Tell me.
I have a doubt.
Just a
Sir,
minute.
tangents are lines, right? How can you measure lines?
Sorry.
So tangents are lines. So how can we measure them? You said they're equal, right? So how can we measure lines until they're equal?
Look at this here. I try to understand what the statement. The length of two tangents is called length from the external point. This extra P is external point to a circle. देखो इधर से ऐसा भी कुछ भी हो, इधर से same ही आ रहा है ना, so it will be touching at the same. So it will be equal. It is a theorem. You can't measuring and all, like measuring and all that is secondary. Measuring and all, like हम लोग measure नहीं कर पाते हैं वो tangent कितना दूर जा रहा है. We won't be able to measure how far it is going, but how far let it be, let it go how far it goes, but wherever it is going, it will be a length. Look at it, it will be a length of BP and AP will be equal always. From P tangent, look at this, AP is a tangent, right? It goes like this. All right, it goes like this. Iska length, it goes now. BP is going like anything, AP is going like anything. All right, it goes till loss. We can't measure it, but the length will be always equal. Measuring will not If it is so length, if it until and unless mention any kind of any kind of value to you, then you can't mention. If he's giving some 7 centimeters or whatever, he might be give you that is this distance. Another look at this here. Distance between the B and point P. He might give you this distance.
Okay.
आया समझ? If it is giving this
Just from
point,
the
then
circle to an external point. The
हाँ.
other,
Yes.
wherever it goes, that's not needed.
Yeah, that look at this here. So look at this here, BP. This he will be giving you this. If it is giving this will be equal, of course. As we know, there is a theorem actually. What the theorem says? This is a theorem. The tangents of the two, the lengths of two tangents. The lengths of two tangents from external point. P is external point here. External point से आने वाली जो भी tangent है, वो जितना भी दूर जाए, हमारे को उससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ने वाला. देखो, एक्सटर्नल पॉइंट से जो आने वाला टेंजेंट है ना, दिस वन हमेशा इसका लेंथ बराबर होगा. ये हमारा थ्योरम है. ठीक है, अंडरस्टूड? Here
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
the length of the tangents from the external point to a circle are equal always. And देखो, this will be this length. देखो, सेंटर से ये लेंथ भी इक्वल होगा. This center से this will be equal. आया समझ? देखो, next we'll talk
Yes.
about now here. That is what we are going to talk about. Length of, you asked correct, length of, write that. Length of what you write? Length of tangent segment. The segment only, right? Tangent segment. Length of PB and PA are normally called, इधर measuring the length is not the concept. ठीक है, length of tangents from इधर से outside point called P. ठीक है, outside point is nothing but external point. Though the length of the tangent segments PB are normally called a length of tangent. ये दोनों क्या होगा? बराबर होगा. ये दोनों length of tangent from external point से जो आने वाला tangent है, वो हमेशा equal होगा. उसका length हमेशा equal होगा. ये theorem है. ठीक है. Next we'll talk about properties. Properties of tangent. Properties of tangent to circle. Properties of tangent to circle. Okay. So basically you have a theorem here. Theorem. Basically, let's see that I don't know whether you have theorem to study or not. Tangent of a circle at any point of contact to the tangent at any point. Yes, we have this theorem to that lengths of tangent drawn from external points. Yes, just we have done. Second theorem we have done. You understand, beta?
Yes, sir.
The second theorem we have done. First theorem we are going to learn now. Discuss that. Let's discuss it. Theorem क्या है? Theorem. Basically, the theorem is. एक minute. So that the tangent at any point of a circle is perpendicular to the radius. Perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. This is a theorem. See, just now we have seen. I just told you that this theorem. We are talking about this one. We are going to prove that. Look at this. Prove that the tangent at any point of a circle is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. देखो. What do you have to prove here? Prove. If he's asking such this kind of question, guys, what you have to do is, all you have to do is, you write, use आपके पास तरीका होता है, लिखने का तरीका होता है. Given, what he has given here, देखो पहला हमने क्या करना है, एक सर्किल ले लो. ये सर्किल लेने के बाद देखो कोई भी एक लाइन सेगमेंट, ये मेरा लाइन सेगमेंट हो गया. ठीक है, दिस लाइन सेगमेंट. इधर पॉइंट ऑफ देखो, ये पॉइंट है मेरा P. देखो ये कुछ भी ले लो, लाइन एक्स वाई, ये मेरा सेंटर हो गया. तो इधर से ये हुआ ना, ये हमेशा इक्वल, ये हमेशा परपेंडिकुलर होगा. ठीक है, देखो इधर कुछ भी एक पॉइंट ले लो, क्यों इधर से देखो हम ज्वाइन करेंगे तो क्या होगा, मेरा एक ट्रायंगल बनेगी, मेरा एक ट्रायंगल बनेगी. देखो इधर क्या हमारे पास क्या गिवन है, देखो गिवन क्या है, एक्स वाई इज अ लाइन सेगमेंट, और इसे सॉरी नॉट लाइन सेगमेंट, एक्स वाई इज क्या है, एक टेंजेंट है एट पॉइंट ऑल्ड P. ठीक है, उधर इसको पॉइंट P to the circle with the radius, sorry, with the not radius, with the center O. ठीक है, सो दिस इज व्हाट गिवन. हमारे को क्या प्रूव करना है, व्हाट डू यू नीड टू प्रूव हियर, टू प्रूव. ये होता है लिखने का, ये मार्क्स अच्छे से मिलेंगे हम ऐसे लिखेंगे तो. टू प्रूव, व्हाट यू हैव टू प्रूव हियर, OP इज परपेंडिकुलर टू XY. दिस इज माय कांसेप्ट हियर. देखो बेटा मैंने इधर क्या लिया था, मैंने तो आपको ये भी लेके बताया था मैंने. हियर आई टुक AB, हियर आई एम टेकिंग XY, कुछ फर्क नहीं है उसमें. ठीक है, इधर तो ये 90 होगा हाउएवर. ठीक है, इसका कंस्ट्रक्शन देखो, कंस्ट्रक्शन कैसा किया, ये तो मेरा कंस्ट्रक्शन देखो. टेक ए पॉइंट A to के पॉइंट, व्हाट इज द पॉइंट Q. टेक ए पॉइंट Q ऑन किस पे, XY पे. इसके अलावा अदर देन P एंड joined, किसके joined, वो Q. ठीक है, सो दिस इज व्हाट वी हैव डन हियर. ठीक है, तो अभी देखो हमारे को प्रूफ अभी क्या करना है, प्रूफ करना है. देखो कैसा प्रूफ करेंगे इसको, देखो ध्यान से समझिए. अगर इफ पॉइंट Q, ये मेरा पॉइंट Q है ना, देखो इसको डायग्राम नीचे भी रखता हूँ, सेम डायग्राम, आई एम जस्ट मेकिंग यू क्लियर एज वेल. हाँ, पॉइंट Q अगर ये इनसाइड लाइव होता, लाइज circle, then XY will become a secant. अगर पॉइंट अंदर है Q तो secant and not a tangent. the circle OQ greater than OP. ये पॉइंट आया समझ, देखो tangent to the circle. देखो अगर क्या बोल रहा हूँ, what I'm trying to say here, Q is a lies inside the circle, तब क्या होता, XY will become secant and not a tangent to the circle. अगर Q inside है, inside के circle, inside of the circle है, तो क्या होगा, XY क्या होगा, secant होगा, that will not become a tangent to a circle where, किस circle, which circle, the circle where OQ greater than OP, OQ greater than OP. देखो, this happens with everyone, this happens with every point which lie on the XY except point P. देखो, it happens with every point lies on the XY except to P. Why? Tell me, why it won't happen with the P? Why it won't happen with the P? Tell me. Why? Because at P we are making a tangent. Except that point, it happens with every point. What happens?
Sir, what is a secant?
Just a minute. एक मिनट थोड़ा मुझे
Sir,
yes
so you also draw and show what will happen if Q is inside the circle,
देखो
and then
देखो
can you draw the diagram related to that one?
yes, look, secant होता है सर, देखो secant is nothing but like a chord only. देखो secant is nothing but as like as chord only, but look at this, secant is a line, ठीक है, secant is a line that intersects a circle at two distinct points, two different points पे. देखो मैं ये बताया था आपको, मैंने ये देखो भाई, आप you just have a diagram of this, आपको सब समझ में आ जाएगा. एक मिनट, हाँ, everyone try to write, I'll just give a note to you all. A, this one, देखो इधर ध्यान से सुनिए, क्या 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 बनता है. देखो ये हमारा सेंटर हो गया, ये दिस इज माय chord here, this is my secant. Secant is nothing but on circle, ये दो point of intersection. Look at this, secant is a line which intersects the circle at two different points. Chord and secant दोनों same नहीं होता, is like chord only but not same. Secant is a line here, chord is a line segment. समझ रहा है, आ रहा है समझ? What is your name? Shut up.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, अरे ये क्या हो रहा है, एक मिनट.
But sir, how does making a point Q make the tangent a secant?
वन सेकंड, देखो इधर, देखो इधर, इसको देखो, chord ये हो गया मेरा diameter, this is my radius. अगर होता, if I'm talking about, this is tangent, ये आपको basic yes, you need to understand this one. Look at this here. हाँ, अगर होता क्या होता, अगर होगा तो क्या होगा, if वो बोल रहा है if, not होता है, if अगर होता है तो क्या होगा. देखो ये guys, this is separate basic structure and mechanism of circle. देखो ऐसा होता है, ये basic terminology of a circle is, this is what the terminology, this is what the terminology of a circle. इसको थोड़ा रफ पे क्या कहाँ तो भी लिख लो, आपको समझ में आएगा. secant का मतलब क्या होता है, it is a line which intersects at two different points on a boundary of a circle. All right. एक मिनट. Yes. थोड़ा इसको बाजू में रख दो. हाँ देखो. So what this happens, you know, this happens with every point on the, this happens with every point on the xy except point P. You write here. आपको मैंने समझाऊंगा, देखो एक मिनट. देखो OP क्या है इधर. OP is the shortest distance or shortest of all the distances. Distances of a point O to the points XY.
Sir,
देखो हाँ, look at this here. ये होता है, देखो मैंने क्या बता रहा हूँ. Guys, shall I erase this one? Shall I erase this part? जिसको erase कर रहा हूँ मैं. Shall I erase this?
yes sir.
हाँ देखो मैंने सेम डायग्राम इधर लिख रहा हूँ, थोड़ा आपको अच्छे से समझ में आ जाए. This is a proof. Proof no one is going to ask you, but let's see the proof as well. देखो इधर क्या है. OP is the shortest. OP सबसे shortest of all the distances of your point O to the points XY. देखो 120 पे जितना भी पॉइंट ले लो आप, XY पे जितना भी पॉइंट ले लो, उसमें सबसे कम ही डिस्टेंस वाला कौन सा पॉइंट है? P ना. OP is ना. OP is सबसे कम ही डिस्टेंस, सबसे कम ही लेंथ वाला कौन सा है? OP, राइट. whatever the point you take, देखो कुछ भी ले लो भाई, A B C D कुछ भी ले लो, सबसे कम ही डिस्टेंस वाला लेंथ कौन सा है? OP तो है. yes or no? आ रहा है समझ?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
हाँ देखो यही प्रूफ होता है, ज्यादा इससे कोई इसमें कोई रॉकेट साइंस नहीं है. We don't have anything like rocket science to understand this. Big, very simple. देखो.
But sir, how does it become a secant? How does XY become a
देखो
secant?
हाँ, very good question. देखो अगर ये Q इनसाइड होता, देखो Q इनसाइड मतलब मान बाउंड्री. देखो अगर इधर ये होता है, Q इधर हो गया, P इधर हो गया, तो ये लाइन ही जा रहे हैं ना. दैट इज व्हाट वो कहने का मतलब है. अगर इफ नॉट एग्जैक्टली इट वोंट कम, इफ होता है तो इफ लुक एट दैट, आई जस्ट यूज द इफ कंडीशन हियर. अगर होता, समझा? शट अप. शट अप.
Yes, sir.
अगर होता तो क्या होगा? देखो if a point Q lies inside the circle, then XY will become a secant and not a tangent to the circle OP greater than OQ. देखो इधर OQ greater than होगा ना. देखो OQ तो of course greater than OP है इधर. देखो आ रहा है समझ? इधर of course OQ is greater than OP ना. देखो OP तो shortest distance है.
Because OQ is the hypotenuse also, sir. It will be the
हाँ.
largest.
Yes, exactly. OQ is as well as OQ is
But sir,
hypotenuse as well. हाँ. This happens with every point of the line XY.
you wrote that point.
हाँ, tell me.
You wrote that if point Q is inside the circle.
और इन और ऑन लिख दो. इन और ऑन लिख लो, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ने वाला. इन मतलब ऑन.
So if it's inside, then OP would be bigger, right? And if it's on, then both would be equal.
Look at this here. 1 second. How? वो करने के देखो, lies inside, lies. Look at this here. What if Q इधर होता है तो ये क्या होगा? Q will be shortest distance. आया समझ? lies on or inside the circle. देखिए ठीक है, अगर Q इधर होता, Q इधर होता तभी दोनों इक्वल होता. अगर इनसाइड है, if Q is inside of the circle, अगर Q is inside of a circle, then OP will be of course shortest distance. The OQ will be shortest distance. In नहीं लिख सकते, you can say on or out. On or out. Out हैगा तो Q ज्यादा होगा. What is my principle here? Look at this. Prove that the tangent at any point of a circle perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. Through the point of contact. ये समझिए. Through the point of contact. He is talking about through the point of contact. Through the point of contact. देखो. Through the point of contact. देखो. Here OP is perpendicular to XY. Take a Q. It lies inside the circle. XY will become a secant, not a tangent to the circle OQ. Yes, now you ask, shut up, tell me.
Yes, sir. I was saying, so let's say we put OQ inside the circle, right? So would XY change? I mean, the
देखो,
line change?
yes, exactly. देखो, अगर OQ inside होगा, आपका डाउट ये है कि अगर ये Q इधर ना होता, inside होता, तो inside होगा तो कहाँ point of contact मिलेगा मुझे? He's talking that point of intersection, two point of contact, through point of contact. अगर Q कहाँ भी इधर होगा तो tangent से कहाँ intersection होगा, contact कहाँ होगा? There will not be any kind of contact, isn't it? You understand? अगर Q inside होता, there will not be any kind of contact. Point of contact कहाँ मिलेगा ना? नहीं मिलेगा ना? Inside होता. You understand? Bhai,
So the point of contact of Q with XY. The point of contact of Q with XI would not be there if it was inside.
Exactly, that is what I'm trying to say.
So you're saying that we can't change XY, the line should be how it is?
Yeah, look at, you can change here. इधर लिख लो कोई ना, इधर लिख लो, इधर लिख लो, इधर लिख लो. कोई नहीं, tangent can be anywhere on the circle. Need not to be downside, need not to be side, need not to be up. It could be anywhere. ठीक है? ये हमारे को थोड़ा समझना है, देखो. Yes, tell me.
Sir, even if we touch the point Q to the circle, then sir, even then it will become a tangent.
Exactly. But that is not the case. We took a case. Yes, that is not the case. I took if case over there, not Q hota hai. Like, look at it. I did not take the case that Q is inside, on the boundary of the circle. I didn't take that case. I took the case if inside होता तो क्या होता, वो tangent नहीं होता, वो secant होता. आया समझ?
Yes, sir. Sir, the only thing is that tangent and secant both are lines. Tangent touches the circle at only one point, whereas secant touches it from 2 points.
Two distinct points. 2 points से कहने का मतलब two distinct point, different points. Very good. Exactly. All right. I hope it is clear with everyone. Tanvi, Diksha, Steve.
So sir, how does it being a secant show that it's perpendicular?
Sorry, secant.
How does if Q is inside the circle being a secant show that the tangent is perpendicular to the point on the radius?
No, अगर वो the theorem is what? Through point of contact. Point of contact ही नहीं मिलेगा तो नहीं possible होगा ना? You understand?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
आपको point of contact ही नहीं मिलेगा तो आपका theorem का principle ही गलत हो जाएगा. हाँ, आया समझ?
Even the secant is right angled to the radius, right?
Sorry?
Even the secant is right angled to the radius. It's perpendicular. Secant is perpendicular to the radius.
हाँ, अगर आप एक लाइन ड्रॉ करोगे सेंटर से तो परपेंडिकुलर ही होगा, मगर दैट इज नॉट द केस. नहीं, वो नहीं कर रहे हैं हम लोग. हमने कर रहा है, हमारा प्रिंसिपल है कि दिस इज व्हाट प्रिंसिपल, tangent at any point on the circle is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. आया समझ? तो सेंटर से ले रहा है हमने. दैट इज माय प्रिंसिपल. आप जो बोल रहे हो वो प्रिंसिपल दूसरा प्रिंसिपल हो जाएगा. ठीक है? आया समझ? Yes guys, I think we done with the time.
Yes,
So let's discuss this session in the next one. Let's discuss all this in the next session. Until then, goodbye. Thank you.
Thank-
Thank you.